We ain't Tiger. We have here second verse for you.
Hold
on.
So me say to the boy, you too nasty. He said no.
Start the world talk, man. Start the world talk.
All right.
Why you say you? Why you say you?
Mr. People, listen to the story about the DJ when they call to Perry. Me a coming up bros the last night when me see. Me say the little boy a box shot a donkey. Him a whisper to me, say no go tell nobody. Me say move, DJ cause you too nasty. Me a go down the road now go tell everybody. No way in a woodland and him a damn boss bunny. How he did in a Bruce Hill, did a fucking donkey. But when me did that talk, him did a say no, nothing no go so nary. Everybody there so, who no listen to Pilly, did that talk, who much he back shot him, did a give the donkey. Hold on, man. Me a go down the road now, go tell everybody. When me come down the road and start tell everybody. When me look down the road, here come the donkey. The donkey come up here him to everybody. Tippy with me last night and I mind the cub.
You want dead round here now? Culture now, we just dead first it group. Man in our night, turn on the bullet out and me gun lay. That tourist culture now, we can't test. Now we culture, where you a go when you book how me write it? For me computer type it. Every lyrics pump me at the factory. And the music and the industry attack. But the donkey are your wifey. It's Nikobi. Are your pitney, you see King Tiger, nobody catch me. Donkey draw pussy hole me no run when they come to lyrics, boy. Someone me have the dead first stick group. Man in our night, no need to go to me.
Well, I know, man, you guess what me see? When me look down the road, here come the cubby. The cubby come up here him to everybody. Hee-haw, keep it in me daddy. Hee-haw,